Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine this. You want to say something in English. You know the words. You feel ready. But when you start speaking, your voice becomes low. Your words become unclear. Your heart beats fast. And you think, do they understand me? Am I speaking correctly? If this sounds like you, then today's episode is for you. My name is Lily, and today we are going to learn something very important: how to speak English clearly and how to speak English confidently. Not fast, not perfect, but clear and strong. By the end of this episode, you will feel more relaxed, more brave, and more ready to speak. Let's begin. Part 1: Why clear speaking matters. When you speak clearly, people understand you. When people understand you, you feel happy. When you feel happy, you speak more. And when you speak more, your English grows. It is a beautiful circle. Clear speaking is not about big words, it is about slow voice, open mouth, calm mind, strong feeling. That's it. Part 2: Slow down your voice. Many learners speak too fast. Why? Because they are nervous. They want to finish quickly. But fast English is not good English. Let's practice. Say this slowly. I like learning English. Good. Again, I like learning English. Perfect. Slow is powerful. Slow is clear. Slow is confident. Part 3: Speak with your whole mouth. Some people speak like this, mumbling. It is hard to understand. Open your mouth, move your lips, feel the words. Practice with me. Good morning. Thank you very much. I am happy today. Nice to meet you. Say them clearly. Feel the sound. Part 4: Remove fear from your voice. Fear is your enemy. Fear says you will make mistakes. You will sound bad. You will fail. But fear is lying. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Confidence is not no mistakes. Confidence is, I speak anyway. Say this with me. I am learning. I am brave. I will speak. Again, I am learning. I am brave. I will speak. Part 5: Daily confidence. Practice. Every day do this. In front of mirror, good morning. I am learning English. I am improving. I feel proud. At home, describe your day. Today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to work. I feel tired but happy. On phone, try one English sentence. Hello, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Small steps, big change. Part 6: Real conversation example. Let's imagine you meet a friend. Friend, how are you? You, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Friend, I'm fine. What did you do today? You, I worked in the morning. In the evening, I relaxed. This is clear. This is simple. This is real English. You can do this. Now repeat after me. Speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak with confidence. I am not afraid. People understand me. I am improving every day. Again, I speak clearly. I speak with confidence. I am not afraid. People understand me. I am improving every day. Excellent. Part 7: True story. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was very quiet. She knew English, but she was shy. One day she started reading aloud, 5 minutes every day. After 2 months, her voice was strong, her confidence was high. Now she speaks freely. You can be like Sarah. Dear learner, your voice matters, your words matter, your effort matters. Don't hide, don't be silent. The world wants to hear you speak, even if you're nervous. Speak, even if you're slow. Speak, because every word makes you stronger. Now, we are at the end of today's episode. Today, you learned how to speak slowly, open your mouth, remove fear, build confidence. Remember, clear English is beautiful English. Simple English is strong English. Practice every day. Trust yourself. My name is Lily. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep shining.